Come here. You're ready, huh? Okay. Don't stop. Just continue. Tell me what is activate.
Activate. Start
Trigger.
trigger. Cause it to be
Turbulence.
what?
Turbulence.
Causes blind to rise or fail.
Immaturity.
Develop or
What is gene? Gene. Sit down and all those vocabulary words in that story you should know. Yes, Talal? What is activate? Could you come here? I know that Talal will give me again a connotation meaning, while Muhammad gave denotation meaning.
so basically, when someone like presses a button, it activates it. It's kind of like similar to trigger, but it's not the same thing.
Can I use your forehead and my son? Trigger? No, you're choosing, huh? How many different five in this world?
For example, like trigger is like when you press like you put your act like there's a button. You trigger it, you put it, and it makes a chain reaction from that.
Yes. And what is turbulence?
Turbulence is like, for example, when you're taking off of a plane, it also starts like moving around, and also when you're and also when you're landing.
And what is immaturity?
When my sister is swimming.
Like me. Sometimes I'm very immature. You know, immature is a negative traits or characters of one person. When you say immaturity, it means
Like you're not acting your age.
yeah, you're not acting like your age. Alright, class. You know why I love Talal? Talal, when he is reading, he pronounces with enunciation and dictation. When you attack him with the vocabulary words, directly he will give it with his own meaning, which I was happy to read. I love knowing the meaning through denotation, through the use of dictionary. But it is most important to know connotation. It means the meaning from your brain. It means you won't even forget the meaning if you're going to give the meaning by your idea. But make sure that it's exactly the same of what is in the denotation. Imagine. When once you give an example, you can give the meaning of it. Yes or no? Yes. Thank you.
I can't come up with vocabulary words. Fascinating.
Asir, do you know what is fear and what is phobia? What is fear and what is phobia? Because you talk a lot, like about the one I told when I was in grade 6.
So like a fear is basically like alarm is scared of you. Fear.
Okay, very good.
Phobia
Phobia.
is a very strong fear that you're afraid to even get close to it or like see it from far away. There's no words for it. There's no words like it's phobia is a very strong fear. Trypophobia. And there's this really weird phobia. It's called like it's a phobia of one word. And guess what they call the phobia? Like an extremely long word.
When you say fear, it means you are afraid of
Actually, my aunt
stealing or shine.
is
And when you say phobia, that is a very strong fear that you want to evade in your life. Like, I have fear in air neurophobia. I mean, I'm having fear of the heights. I'm having fear of the cats. I don't have fear
my
of
aunt
the
has a
sea.
fear of cats. I have a phobia of the
So that is fear and phobia. So you should know what. So what is fear and what's phobia again?
He has fear of this building. He has a phobia of the dangerous. The phobia is.
Continue being my assistant teacher, huh? Continue being my assistant.
Yeah, it's fear.
Are you listening? I said Sultan will be my assistant teacher. Continue doing that. Okay? Write the names every day. 1, 2, 3, or 5 or all. Excuse me. But all. Turn 1, turn 2, turn 3 sleeping.
Monitor, what do you want to do?
All right. Now, Omar, you know the meaning of this piece? Huh? Okay. Your partner to this term is Omar. Talal, your partner will be Rakan. Okay? Sultan, your partner will be Turkey. Batal, your partner will be Yazan.
Yes.
Asir, your partner will be Mishari. Abdurrahman and Tamim. Abdurrahman and Tamim, okay?
Me and
Okay, now let me ask you a question regarding this issue, okay? Who is the author of this? Who is the author of this? Let me know now. You have to write everything.
Teacher,
What
he
am
has
I?
another system and phobias.
Kids shelf.
It's
Kids shelf.
Kids health.
Kids health.
who is the author?
Kids health.
Not all.
Yasan.
Kids health.
Kids health.
I said Yasan.
Kids
Author?
health.
Kids health.
Where?
Kids life.
Information text by kids self. Kids self.
How?
Kids health.org. Oh, I went to kids health.
Kids Health is the author of this story.
And
And what is the genre?
information.
No. That is the author's purpose.
The genre is informational.
Author's purpose? No. Author's purpose is to
Inform.
inform. Yes. Genre is inform. Copy this in your book. Informational
Text.
text.
The magic thing.
If you already saw informational text in your book, you have to box it like this or highlight it with yellow color. Now, author's purpose, you have to. What is the purpose of the author? To
Inform
inform us about what?
about fear and phobia.
Exactly. What about the author's point of view?
It's
You don't know?
Kids health.
Hey, Kids Health. Kids Health is the author, the one who wrote that
There's
topic.
nobody named kids health.
Second.
So you see, I thought you said kids health.
And the author's purpose is to inform what the
Second.
genre is informational text. What is the author's point of view? You don't know now, you forget it now.
second.
Huh? Second?
Yes.
Okay, we have first, second,
Second.
and third.
It's second.
In the first, you have to use what? I
Me.
and we. In the second, we have you. Third, we have she, he.
It's third.
Third. Mister, it's third.
Third.
You're guessing.
No, mister, I know it's third. There is
All
it.
right. If you say I and we, you include me, us, mine, mine, myself. What else?
Ourselves.
I don't know. Here is our. Who said ourselves? Very good, Talan.
I said that.
Talan, you get +2 for me for today. Only, huh? I'm putting mine,
There is one.
myself, here, and mine. What about you? You got minus 1 because you guessed you said you.
Yourself.
There's no yourselves. Yourself.
Mister, it's third. Mister.
Yours.
You guess you said second person, but then you change it to third person. She, you have her, herself, and don't say herself. Herself only. That's fine, huh? He
He is himself.
Ah, They,
Then
their,
Their
them,
themselves. Themselves.
huh?
Themselves.
Themselves, there's no their selves, they're themselves.
Themselves.
So now, gentleman of 6A, what is the author's point of view?
Third.
Why? Show me.
Sure.
Prove it to me.
There is
Where,
it.
where?
Okay, only there's about other people here first. The rich one,
Ah, okay, very good.
also like
Or sit down. Alright, you got this one, huh? The author's point of view. Now, listen to me now. What about the what is the conflict of that story? Conflict. It doesn't know what is the conflict, guys.
The problem.
In the story, what is the conflict of the story? Omar, I don't want you to go back to grade 6 next year. Please focus. Yes.
Phobias, like fears.
3 points. Talal, please don't change. Okay? Huh? The conflict of the story on page 205 is
Fear and phobia.
Rakan.
Yes.
This is the conflict. You know what is conflict? From what school you came from? Amjad.
Yes.
Did you play the Amjad school?
No, I hated that school.
Of course, because now, as an English educator, when I ask you about conflict, you don't even know it. You must, because you are in grade 6. Conflict means?
The problem.
And where did you learn from that word?
From the school.
Who's
From
this
you.
school? From this school. The school teach you?
Yes, the school teach me what is conflict.
Really?
Yes, you teach
So
us.
tomorrow I will not be here anymore because the school.
No,
Yes.
you
I
teach
learned in fourth grade.
Huh?
Fourth grade. I don't know what
Okay.
means problem.
Rakan. Some of them. Rakan, don't talk to him. Huh? Don't be friendly to him. Huh? He's always sleeping in my class. Rakan, all the lessons that I am throwing to you guys will be in your start, gap, and answer questions. It means I am preparing you for your university, for your college entrance examination. Aside from that, I'm also preparing you for your grade 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm mixing. That's why I don't understand if some of you has to be a turtle and some of you to be like a rabbit. Turtle. Like this, okay? Slowly. Faster. Faster in thinking, faster in getting the knowledge. But
Why turtle get
turtle, roll, turtle slow. Okay. What is the conflict? Again, conflict means
is the problem.
very good. So what is the problem? What is the conflict in the story? As I said, it's about fear and phobias. He forgot to answer me. You stand up. Go there. If you don't answer my question, you are preparing yourself to go outside. And if they ask you why, my brain today is 0. That's why the equation asks me to walk and to find some ways and means. Stay here. What is the conflict? What is the problem with this? What is fear and what is phobia? Tell them.
Fear is when you're afraid of something, and phobia.
Afraid.
Yes.
Would you like to stand up and tell me? Because I'm so tired of saying it 5 times here. Okay?
Fear is afraid.
Don't tell me I know the answer.
Fear is afraid afraid of something, and phobias is a very strong fear.
Understand? What is phobia? I don't know. What is phobia? Tell me. Phobia is a strong fear. Strong. And fear is afraid of something. Okay?
Like for example,
Yes, Tala.
our mom
Give me an example, Tala.
okay, our mom, he jump scared. He's scared too, and that's it makes it. For example, you're scared of what are you scared of? Social.
Yes, because you are
Okay, you're scared of losing Fortnite.
Yeah.
So
Omar jumped to you and then you're afraid of him. That is fear.
yeah, so
Now, every time you see a person who's there, that's a phobia because he might be fall. Fear of heights, fear of something. You understand? Sit down. Yes, what continuation?
how strong is fear?
Huh?
How strong is fear?
It means you cannot escape on it. Every time you see, every time you feel it, you are afraid of it.
Like if you
Fear, if you say fear,
yes.
fear means suddenly, oh, I'm afraid of it. But actually, after a couple of minutes, you just like, I'm okay, relax. But when it comes to phobia, the whole life, the entire life, you're still thinking, yes, you cannot.
Using phobia.
Yes?
For example, phobia. Like a person who's scared of thunderstorms.
You want minus answer?
A person who's afraid of thunderstorms.
Omar,
See,
excuse me, Tatal. Omar and Bakal, they are sleeping together, so they must be in the other kinds of room. I think I will suggest a penalty room for them.
same thing. So for example, someone in the USA, okay, they are afraid of thunderstorms. So when they saw one night, making just slightly cold, they started overthinking. So they went to
What country is that?
USA.
Yes, because in the USA, every time that there is a thunderstorm, they are fear of it. Now, some of the people there, they have phobias. Why? Because a lot of people died during the thunderstorm. It's not a fiction, it's a non-fiction. A non-fiction means a true to life story that happened. Sit down. You do. Okay. Not. Yes, tell me.
Actually, also you can't like say how strong the phobia is. The phobia, how strong the phobia is depending on what made the phobia. Like are they born with the genes or they happen